Hey there, exam warriors! Are you feeling the pressure building up as finals approach? Worried about getting those straight A's you've aiming for? Well, fret not, because in this video, I've got your back with some last-minute tips that will set you up for success. Let's dive right in! First things first, prioritize your study material by focusing on the most important topics that are likely to appear on the exam. Create a study schedule that breaks down your time effectively, giving more attention to the subjects you find challenging. Next, make use of active study techniques like summarizing key points, creating flashcards, or teaching the material to someone else. This will help reinforce your understanding and memory retention. When studying, find a quiet and comfortable environment that minimizes distractions. Stay organized by keeping all your study materials in one place to avoid last-minute scrambles to find notes or textbooks. Don't forget about taking breaks. It's essential to give your brain time to recharge and process the information you've been studying. Use the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. As the exam day approaches, make sure to get a good night's sleep. Your brain needs rest to perform at its best, so aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep to feel refreshed and alert on the big day. Finally, don't underestimate the power of positive thinking. Visualize yourself acing the exam, believe in your abilities, and approach the test with confidence. You've put in the effort, now it's time to shine. And there you have it, exam warriors! By following these last-minute tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving those straight A's. Remember, you've got this. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your own exam success stories. Good luck on your exams!